Gabby, and today we are going to do a Diana Ross 70s look, but with a twist that I got the inspiration from. Were from Pinterest, and it was this lovely lady, and then this one with a cool like cat corner eye because I've been wanting to try that. It's only my second video, guys. I'm getting better. I'll get used to posting more content on my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hi guys, so today I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer for my foundation. Then for my concealer base, I'm using the Makeup Forever Professional Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and it's a eye and lip primer, and it lasts for 24 hours, and I just put that in my T-zone. So I'm using a spoolie brush to brush up my brows and get that arch, because you know when you wake up and your brows are fuzzy and crazy, you just gotta brush them up, then arch them. And I'll be using the Brow and Eyeliner Smashbox brush. It's an angled brush and it's good for brows and eyeliner. And I don't know what the name of the powder was, but the colors were like a nutmeg and like a chocolate brown. So now I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty concealer in the number 440. I don't know what the name is, I forgot. But and then I am taking my eyebrow brush and concealing them. When it comes to concealing your eyebrows, you don't want to go overboard with the concealer, but make sure that you're super close to the shape of the eyebrow that you want and perfect it. Now I'm using the Elizabeth Arden concealer, or like foundation base, but I use this for my eyeshadows, especially when I'm using colors, since I'm a chocolate girl, and it makes my colors pop even more. Now taking that Fenty Beauty concealer again, I am going to conceal in my T-zone, which means under my eyes or by my chin, my forehead, the sides of my lips if I want to, and blend, blend, blend. Now for my base color, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nirvana collection in the color A3, and I'm just going to blend that all over my eyelid in windshield wiper motions and circular motions. So now to start on that makeup look, I am using the Avon Denim Blue Quad in the color Soft Blue. Still using those windshield wiper motions, and I'm also patting to make sure that the color is potent. Now by taking the Maybelline New York eyeshadow palette, I will be using the third color, and it's still that cute like soft blue but a little bit shimmery than the first shade I used, and it's in the color palette or name watercolors. Blend, 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 and don't forget to pat. Now taking a fluffy blending brush, I am using the excess powder from that brush and just blending out that color to make sure it's nice and even. For translucent powder, I'm using black opal in the color 400 medium and blending that in my face. Now taking that angled brush again and dipping it in a shimmery chocolate color to achieve that cool arch eyeliner thing that they used to do back in the 70s. I actually liked it. It was super cute. It made my eyes bigger. It was super pretty and it looked like a cut crease, so I liked that. And also, I don't know the name of the eyeshadow, but I know they're all shimmer shades. Going back in with that same brush and color and doing it on my other eye. To achieve this arch, you have to go back in with your brush a couple times to darken it, especially if you're a chocolate colored girl. You got to go back in a couple times, but also make sure not to make it too thin so you can't see it, or too big that it's overpowering the entire makeup look. Now I will be taking the Almay Goddess Gloss to achieve that cool glossy wet look that they loved so much in the 70s, but still keeping that shimmer there. Remember to blend that lip gloss out all over your lid, even up close to your brows, so it looks super cute when you take pictures, and it's like a cute little highlight up there as well. Going back into that Anastasia Beverly Hills Nirvana palette, I'm using the color B1 to make it even more shimmery and shiny, and to just add some dimension to the look. In order to achieve that cat eye eyeliner look, I am using the Liquid Liner Italia Duplex Dip It eyeliner, and if there are any mess ups, you can just cover it up with concealer. Using my eyeliner brush again, the product is Avon and the color is Blue Flip, and I will be using this color for my lower lash line. And guys, remember, make sure to pack that color on. going back with that eyeliner and angled brush, I am achieving the bigger eye look by lining my eyes under the eyeshadow I just put. Now for blush, it's Lancome and in the color Magenta Riche. And I don't really like to contour my face, but when I do, I like to use blush for it. And I don't like to use too much so I don't look like a plum. And this is where you apply it in the T-zone area: nose, cheekbones, forehead, wherever. For highlighter, I'm using the brand Hard Candy in the color 24K Gold highlighter. And this is actually a Walmart highlighter, but it's actually really, really good. And I like to spray it before I put it on my face, but I didn't have enough spray, so I just dipped it in there. Now it's like a natural glow. Now taking the Fenty Beauty Luscious Lip Balm to make sure my lips are moisturized before I put on any lipstick or liner. And for the lip tint or like lip color, I am using Poudiere in it's a lip liner and a matte lipstick liquid, and it's not saying a name, but the number is 6. And I will go back in with that Almay Goddess Gloss to give it that shimmer. Taking my CoverGirl mascara mousse in Natural Luxe just to add some dimension and some color to my eyelashes before I put on my wispies. Make sure to get the bottom lashes as well. Now for my eyelashes, I am taking some tweezers and the I Envy by Kiss Mega Hold eyelash glue. This is the only glue I have. It's new. It's like I like it, but not really. It's kind of crusty. And then for my eyelashes, I just cut the ends of lashes and then just suck them on the end to like achieve that cute fox eye, cat eye kind of striking look. Now taking that same eyeliner, and soon enough you will see the eyeliner brush again, just to help enhance the cool, like long falsies look for your lower lash line. So this is the finished look. I'm super proud of it. I was a little scared because this is the first time that I've ever done like this cool little like cat or like cat liner in my inner tear duct. But I think it came out pretty nice. Like I look cute. Like I'm gonna start doing this a lot more often. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Never mind.